is signals and copy.
All right, let's talk about Shiba Inu. I put up $995 maybe a month and a half ago because I knew this coin was going to keep going up. But this has the potential to be a dump eventually. So as a smart investor, trader, I need to take profit. What a lot of people don't do is take profit. If this goes to 1 cent, I would make 1.4 million. But it's going to take a long time to get to 1 cent based off of my calculation. Now, we could get a lot of hype and people could still pump money into it and it can go up. But right now, as you see, 3 zeros away from 1 penny. Now, here's the thing that people are not paying attention to. Shiba has already gained 7 million% in the last 15 months. 7 million% in the last 15 months. So if somebody would invest $1,000 and they would be at 70 million, but the average person didn't think about Shiba. So my thing is this: I'm in the market to make gains. If I put up 995 and now I'm up to 11,700, I'm going to take 3,500 back, which gives me a profit of $2,505, and the rest I'll leave in. But if it was to dump, I still took a profit. If they stay and keep pushing it, that'd be great. But Shiba Inu doesn't have any real world use. It's a meme coin. So I just want you guys to think about that. I'm showing you what I do. Look at my channel. You'll see I've been putting up videos for a long time, since 2015, of the financial market. There are other coins out there that you can get into. Always take profit. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. As you can see on this chart right here, Shiba went all the way up from way back. Time for me to sell and take a profit of 2,500 while still keeping 803 million of Shiba Inu.
This is signals and copy.